Hello YouTube viewers. In today's video, we're going to shine the spotlight on the unsung heroes of our operations, the maintenance workers. We'll delve into the simple yet meaningful ways to show our appreciation to these dedicated professionals. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'm here to guide you through the best practices to acknowledge your maintenance team's efforts. So, stay tuned as we explore everything from personal thank you notes to professional development opportunities. As the holiday season approaches, it's important to take a moment and show appreciation to those who keep our operations running smoothly, our maintenance workers. Their diligent efforts often go unnoticed, but without them, our facilities wouldn't function as they should. So, how can we show them our gratitude? Let's dive into some simple yet effective ways. First off, never underestimate the power of a personal thank you. A heartfelt note, an appreciative email, or even better, a face-to-face expression of gratitude can make a world of difference. To give you an idea of how impactful this can be, consider this. The CEO of Campbell's has written over 30,000 thank you notes to his employees. Now that's dedication. Another fantastic way to show your appreciation is by hosting a maintenance team potluck. Food has a way of bringing people together, fostering camaraderie, and strengthening work relationships. Plus, it's a great opportunity to show your team how much they mean to your organization. If you're looking for a more tangible way to express your gratitude, consider gifting your team with gift cards. These monetary rewards are a concrete way to thank your maintenance team for their hard work. And if you can, personalizing these cards to each employee's interests can make them feel truly appreciated. Another gesture that can go a long way is providing a bit of extra time off. A few extra minutes during lunch or an additional day off can be a much appreciated break. And with the rise of predictive maintenance technology, that extra time isn't as much of a loss as you might think. If you're worried about lost productivity, remember that inefficiencies in maintenance management will likely have a far greater impact than a bit of extra time off around the holidays. Lastly, consider investing in your maintenance workers' professional development. Paying for a maintenance technician's CMRT exam or sending managers to industry conventions not only helps them advance in their careers, but also shows them that you value their contributions to your company. Remember, showing appreciation to your maintenance employees this season doesn't have to be complicated. A bit of extra time and investment can go a long way. So let's take this opportunity to thank our maintenance teams for their hard work and dedication. After all, they are the backbone of our operations. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of showing appreciation to your maintenance team and explored various ways to do so, from personal thank you notes to professional development opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.